Hey y'all! So far you've been loving the back to school series, so I've got one more trick up my sleeve. Today it's an awesome make-ahead snack idea. And who doesn't love pizza? Especially a portable deep dish pizza muffin with a leveled up crazy bread vegan garlic parm crust. Ugh, that was a mouthful, but just you wait. I can hear you drooling already, so let's make them so we can eat them even sooner. To make that dough, in a mixing bowl of a stand mixer with a dough hook attachment, you're going to combine flour, sugar, quick rise yeast, sea salt, vegetable oil, and warm water. Start the speed on low to combine the flour with the liquid. Gradually increase the speed until the dough comes together and cleans the sides of the bowl. When it's done, the dough will be soft and slightly sticky. Cover the bowl with a damp tea towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. To make the vegan garlic butter parmesan crust, in a small bowl you're going to add melted vegan butter, garlic powder, and vegan parmesan cheese. Then you can set this aside. Prepare your muffin tray by brushing vegetable oil into each muffin cup all over the bottom and the sides. Now lightly flour your work surface and roll out that dough into a 10 by 14 inch rectangle. Use a 3-inch cookie cutter to punch out 12 rounds. Then use a pastry brush to brush about half the vegan garlic butter parmesan mixture on top of each round and reserve the rest for brushing onto the baked pizza muffins. Gently press each round into the muffin tray cups. Then use a fork to prick 4 or 5 rows into just the bottom center of the dough and leave about 1/8 of an inch bare from the edges. Layer the dough rounds with a small spoonful of pizza sauce, a small pinch of vegan cheese shreds, and vegan pepperoni. Layer again 2 more times so that you've got 3 layers total, and then finish with just a little bit more vegan cheese. Cover the tray with a damp tea towel and let them proof for about 30 to 45 minutes until the edges are very puffy. Bake these guys in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 17 minutes until golden brown. While the pizza muffins are still warm in the pan, brush the remaining melted garlic butter mixture onto the edges of the crust and finish by sprinkling with extra vegan parmesan. Remove the pizza muffins from the muffin tray onto a wire rack to cool. And if after baking you notice that the pizza edges are touching, just use a knife to separate them before popping them out of the muffin tray. Oh yeah, vegan deep dish pepperoni pizza muffins. Bet you can't eat just one. Don't forget the recipe is linked below in the description, and if you guys make this, don't forget, tag me on social, it's @hot4food. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food, and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media @hot4food, @LaurenToyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.